Helen, I'm gonna deliver egg. Wait here. It's there.
Sabihan ko si Papa. Sabihan ko na lang, hindi pa niya rin alam eh. Kasi niya, sunduin sa Holy-Cross, kumenda na. Kasi hindi niya makapuntahan, malitin niya. Para na, huwag niya, sunduin na kailangan.
Kung ilahin lagi, siyempre dito, okay naman.
Kaya nga, walang choice na. Yung napakalayo talaga. Pupunta ng kami dyan. Hindi niya talaga maano yung nag-commit kami.
This is not real egg. This is fake egg. You put them. You get them.
Okay.
Oh my god, a little kitty.
Si Jim hindi
Sure,
niya
look at this.
matanggap.
Oh my god. That's a lot of eggs I can peel off.
Hindi
I'll
ba?
peel it off.
Hindi,
Then,
ang naisip ko ma,
Don't
wag-
believe you.
bawasan mo.
Magnet. Look, a magnet.
Ang nakita ko
Oh,
ay,
that magnet is hard.
huwag mo tanggalan lahat. I-retain
This
mo.
magnet is so hard.
Kunyari, bawasan mo ng, let's see ma.
Oh my god, thank you. We just moved off. Oh my god. This thing is very awesome. Oh my god. So good right now. Go sell this. Bye.
Sino na sila?
Bleh.